In the beginning of August, the frozen plants arrive. As you can see, the ice is still visible. Once the plants have thawed, we can start planting. We lay down the plants in the right position and cover them with cocoa coir. After which, the drippers are inserted in the ground. This is how the plant receives the necessary water and nutrients. After having planted the plant, it is important that the plant immediately gets watered. Yago deploys the biological pest control. We buy these insects from Copper Biology. We release bumblebees, also bought from Copper, into the greenhouse. Every flower must get pollinated a couple of times for the strawberries to start growing. Everything is neatly swept. At the start of September, we separate the leaves and the growing strawberries by using the white band in the middle. This is all to prepare for the harvest. The first harvesting period begins mid to late September. Everyone has their own cart and scale. After being picked, the strawberries are immediately sorted and placed in their packaging. With Class 2, the strawberries with imperfections, placed in the blue crates, and Class 1, the flawless strawberries, placed in the wooden crates. The first harvesting period ends at the start of December. We cut off the old branches to prepare the plants for their second and final harvest. This is what the greenhouse looks like in December. We unfold the leaves and the plants go dormant. In February, we once again cut the old leaves and sweep the floor. Later that month, the plants will start to grow again, so we'd separate the leaves and the growing strawberries in preparation for the harvest. We once more release a new batch of bumblebees into the greenhouse. Around mid-April is when the spring harvest begins. During the spring harvest, we pick around 2/3 of our yearly harvest. Every crate contains around 4 kilos and a little bit extra. During the spring, the carts are stacked with filled boxes of strawberries. The second harvest ends around the start of June, after which the plants are removed. The drippers are pulled out of the ground. But before the plants can be removed, we must first cover the ground with sheets. Once that is done, the plants can be removed by placing them on the sheets. After this, a company will come to shred the plants and the cocoa coir. The shredded material will be shipped to a radish farmer who uses this material as fertilizer. This way, we can minimize the amount of waste from our production cycle. It is now mid-June. The greenhouse is empty. Everything needs a thorough cleaning session because come August, the cycle will start anew.